For installation of steering damper bridge, you need to first remove the upper clamp, then remove the handlebars and loosen these two bolts using 17 range from down. Then carefully remove the upper cylinder block and remove the bolt. After removing the bolt, strip down the cylinder block and put it on our new bolt which you found in the package. Install the new bolt with cylinder block on both sides and then put the bridge above of it and put the cylinder blocks from the upside. Use the 243 Loctite for both bolts.